above $3,500 an ounce for the first time, while the stocks on the Wall Street and the dollar rose following Monday's sell-off prompted by the Donald Trump's blistering attack on the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Also, spot gold reached the record price of $3,500 on Tuesday, extending a rally that has pushed billions up from $3,000 an ounce at the start of the year. Also, analysts now predict the metal could also reach $4,000 only a matter of weeks after the price moved through the $3,000 for the first time. Also, the US currency and the government debts are usually seen as the safe haven during the times of the market turmoil, but as the United States itself has caused much of the recent volatility, investors have seen the turning to the another port in the storm, that is gold, in the large number. Also, Trump tariff has unleashed a major negative shock into the world economy. The IMF, that is the International Monetary Fund, warned on Tuesday as it cuts its forecast for the US, UK and global growth. Also, most major European markets closed up slightly on Tuesday and the US market opened higher, recovering most of the previous day's losses on the Wall Street. News that the US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has told an investor conference that he expected trade tensions with China to de-escalate cheered investors. Also, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which tracks 30 large US companies, the broader S&P 500 and the Nasdaq all ended the day up more than 2.5%. The FTSE 100 index in the London rose by 0.6%, its highest close in more than 2 weeks, while Germany's DAX and the France CAC were up by 0.5%. Many Asian markets, including Japan's Nikkei, had closed modestly lower. Traders are anxious after the United States President Donald Trump's intensified attack on the America's top central banker, calling Powell Mr. Too Late and a major loser for not lowering the interest rates. They pushed the dollar down against the basket of currencies to its lowest level since March 2022. Also, on Tuesday morning, although it was up 0.2% by the afternoon.